Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I just got done making a Japanese-inspired toolbox here out of some OSB and some reclaimed 2x4s. This monstrosity is 15.25 inches wide, 24.5 inches long, 14 inches tall. That's the inside diameter, not diameter, but the inside area of this thing. Comes out to be 5,230 cubic inches of storage space, and it has a lid that slides into place sometimes. It's not making a liar out of me. Going the right way, dummy. And this is the key to lock the lid. And as you can see, all OSB, and hopefully you guys might want to try and make something like this, maybe better than what this is, but this would be nice to store some parts on the shelf and don't have to worry about them getting all screwed up. Thanks for watching.